Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton, and I just wanted to take a minute. You've probably heard of the webpage GoFundMe.com. It's for people that have different kind of needs. It can be personal, it can be, catastrophe, anything. People can put up a GoFundMe account to ask other people to help fund their cause. So I was just visiting the site for a donation. And, people really and truly do like to give. And so when you get a gift or when you give a gift on GoFundMe, it's going to be a one-time gift. Imagine the power of leverage and what you could do if you start investing in yourself and help 2 to 4 people do the same thing. I have programs that start at $7, $20, $44, $69. Imagine where you could be in the next 1 to 5 years. Leverage is a lot of people doing a little, working smarter instead of harder. In fact, I was just working outside on my laptop, just enjoying the hummingbirds and enjoying the freedom that I do have, and thought I would come and make this video. My thing is to help people understand that there is indeed a smarter way to earn an income rather than just the 9 to 5. And there's nothing wrong with the 9 to 5, but know that there is a smarter way. And so feel free to log into my site and just make a decision that you are going to be free, or you're going to have more freedom. My site is www.faithwins.biz. You can start there for free. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let me know how I can help you, and welcome to Full-Time Freedom. Bye for now.